Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change the header design or change the header in general in Wix. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am in my editor for one of my sites, and this is just some random page on one of my sites. And as you can see, this top section here is the header. And let me just move the search bar because it's positioned really badly. But yeah, as you can see here, this is the header, and you just want to click on it. And as you can see, you have the option for quick edit. If you just hover over it and click here, you can edit it like so. But we're not going to do that. We're going to click on the header and double click it. And as you can see, the change header design button pops up. And as you can see, the header design can be either regular or scroll. You can select whichever you want. And as you can see in regular, you have the background options, and you can set the color to whatever you want. You can set it to fully transparent if you wish. You can set it to fully opaque for that color of your choice. I'll change it to orange, or this brownish orange color, for example. And as you can see, now that color has been changed. You can also change it to some of these gradients like so. And you can select the degrees of the gradients however you wish. You can choose the intensity of the gradient, and you can change again the opacity of the gradient. And yeah, that is how you change the design. You can also have these 4 color gradients like so. I'll just choose this. You can also go ahead for the border, and you can select the opacity for the border, select the color for the border as well, and select the width for the top and the bottom border. Then you can go into here and select the corners and change the radius in pixels. And you can also go into shadow and click apply shadow if you want to. Select the angle of the shadow if you want to. I'll just select it to this, for example. You can change any of the other settings if you want to as well. And if we go into scroll, you can change pretty much the same things, and it looks pretty much identical. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.